Champion. So sa ito pa, ang dili matawag, makoy first runner-up. Ang dili matawag, first runner-up. Ang unang tawagon, champion. First runner-up, ang damo, champion. Champion for the 2024 Bujaga Sabangis Festival of Harvest and Revelry. Goes to champion, champion. Goes to number 5. Nanghilak sila kay Tears of Joy. Kaya tiyaw ba na? Wasn't ka-expect na ma-first runner-up sila. Kaya sila po ba kung ka-expect na ma-champion? O ambak mo, buglasan. Very good. Okay, our first runner-up is contingent